Hello, hi. Welcome to the new video. Here, I wanted to share some insights. It is quite a different kind of video where I will be sharing kind of self-evolution plan, how exactly in real time you need to analyze. Okay, so I will be showcasing how a real evolution need to be done. Okay, so I just now attended one of the interview. So I will be taking that as an example and demonstrating you how exactly you can also follow this and analyze yourself for further evaluation. Okay. So here, whatever I was presenting here, I put that in the GitHub repository. You can refer that. I will be pasting the link in the description. Okay. So it is the name of this repository has insights and interview self-evaluation plan, okay, where I have included all the points that I'm going to discuss and the prompts also what exactly. Okay, so here, firstly, I was using, the overview of this particular video was after the interview was done, obviously you need to record that particular interview and use some uh, AI tools, especially like ChatGPT or Gemini or any of the cloud, whatever you are interested in. Okay, so I am personally using ChatGPT here to evaluate myself and what are the areas I need to focus on, and is there any chance of considering my profile to the further rounds of interviews. Okay, so as a part of it, I thought why don't I share this particular plan? Why that might be helpful for you also in the future evaluation criteria. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with this. Firstly, you need to get the uh, recorded video, and after that, you need to get the transcript, and then you need to use some prompts and get insights about yourself. Okay, so here, for that, I said today I attended one of the interview, right? So I recorded that particular video and I uploaded that into my personal YouTube. And one more thing, don't make it public. There is a option to private that. Okay, so I'm showing my YouTube video. So this is the video I have uploaded today. Okay, 8 March, and I will be opening this in the YouTube. Okay, so the discussion went around 25 minutes. Okay, so I will just open it and I will just stop playing the video, right? Because it will get again sound. Okay, so here uh, just scroll down and there is an option to sorry, yeah, there is an option. Click on view transcript. Okay, so once you click on view transcript, here it shows the complete video transcript. So you just need to copy this entire transcript till end. Okay, and moving to the further steps. Till this we have done. We have recorded the video. For the recording purpose, you can use the. I will showcase the tool also. As of now, I was using this OBS. Okay, you can record actual interview. What exactly the conversation from the beginning till the end. Okay, why? Because to recording the video was it is a kind of self-evaluation. Why? Because it is helpful for your future enhancement. Okay, so and one more thing, whenever you are recording with the help of any of the tools or something, there is a option. There is a some possibility interviewers might ask to share the screen and write something. And that time they may notice and ask also. Okay, in that case, what you need to do is whenever you are presenting the screen, open the new desktop window. Okay, if you click on window, there is a desktop one, two, like that, right? Click on new desktop, and in that new desktop, open the OBS and start recording. And in the first desktop, you can start actual interview, whatever it is opening. Okay, so here you just record the particular video, and this is the tool. And moving further, we have uploaded that into the YouTube, and then you need to get the transcript. How exactly I get the transcript here? By default, YouTube will provide the transcript, and one more thing. Let's say if you are making that as a public, okay. Let's say for suppose there is a option enabled. Uh, Ask questions like that. Okay. By defaultly, YouTube was integrated the Google Gemini. Okay. That means Google AI like capability was to ask the questions. Okay. At that time also you can ask list the all the questions in this particular interview like that. Okay. If possible, at the end I will showcase that demo also. How exactly you can utilize that feature also. Okay. As of now, we got the transcription. entire transcript of that particular video, and then we need to gather the job description for that. Okay, so for that, as I said, I attended the interview, which was Sony India, and here is the job description for that, and I also have the job description here. Okay, so and also one more thing, I will be sharing the job description. Sorry, this particular application description, job uh, description in the sorry job link in the description. Kindly do apply. Why? Because they are actively applying, sorry, actively reviewing the profiles. So if you are interested into DevOps and DevSecOps area, they are expecting 4 to 6 years of experience. You can apply and they may consider your profile. Okay. So I have gathered the job description here. And then finally, we need to analyze by using the prompts. Okay. So what are the prompts I'm using? So here are the some prompts what I was using. First one was um, we need to extract the questions based on the transcript. Later, the second prompt I was using was we are saying the AI model to, ChatGPT to act like an experiencer and validate the viewer. That means viewers' responsibilities. So your responses. That means candidate responses. And then in the third prompt, what we are doing is we are saying consider these are the job responsibilities and you are the actual recruiter, what exactly your consideration and feedback kind of thing. Okay. And then finally, based upon the interviewer evaluation, some profile improvements and what exactly the areas the candidate need to improve for further rounds of interviews. Okay. So yeah, let's go and have one by one discussion about it. Okay. So first prompt here was we need to extract the questions. Okay. So here, I was giving this particular prompt where I was pasting that transcript. Okay, I was opening the GPT and pasting this particular script. Okay, sorry, prompt. And at the end, I was pasting the transcript, whatever I have copied here. I will paste this particular transcript here. Okay, so here is the entire transcript. Okay, for 25 minutes or something. Then I will hit enter and let's see will it exactly gives the questions. Okay. So if you see here, exactly it gives the questions. Can you brief yourself? What kind of responsibilities, cloud platforms you have worked, services, cloud services you have used? So all the questions that you see, it has given very clearly. Okay. And then the next prompt we are going to use was we need to evaluate ourselves with the help of this particular prompt. We are saying, and one more thing, I have like reviewed the interviewer profile also through the LinkedIn, and based on that, I get to know certain insights about it. So in your case also, I do the same thing, and I'll be using the second prompt here to evaluate, okay, the candidate. So here it was giving the clear evaluation, what exactly the candidate like responses and what exactly the evaluation and what exactly the mixing points and the ideal answer what should be and what is the final score 8 out of 10 8 out of 10 8 out of 10 7 out of 10 9 out of 10 7 out of 10 7 out of 10 for each and every question it was giving in the same way. Okay. And then finally we are using another prompt where it was giving the final decision. Okay, so here I'm also pasting the job description, why because it need to aware what exactly the job we are applied for. Okay, for that only I said that gather the job description. So here is the job description. This is for the role of DevSecOps engineer. For I attended at 4 years of experience, and yeah, uh, and here I can also say candidate attended at 4 years of experience. Okay. So now let us see final exactly decision. Okay. Why I was considering preparing this kind of videos. It is very much insightful where you can this exactly worked with me. So that is the reason I was suggesting for you also to use this and be considered for your self-evaluation and improve yourself. Okay. So final decision, it was saying high. Okay. That means considered for further rounds of interviews. As I said, it was a first technical discussion. Okay. And based upon, and also it was giving the overall rating, 8 out of 10. Okay. So, and also you can customize this particular prompts just for the sake of idea. I have given, you can use this kind of things for your self-evaluation. Okay. And it was also demonstrating what are the key strengths observed and what are the major technical gaps observed and what are the risk factors. If hired, there might be a need of guidance for this, and then it's a learning curve. I mean, learning is required in these areas, and these are the some recommended next round focus areas also. Okay, so expecting these kind of more insights based upon the job description it was giving. Okay, and finally there is a one more additional prompt. For personalizing yourself. Okay, so here I create a personalized improvement plan. Here I was giving only first point. Okay, and there are few more points also. The technical topics need to evaluate and recommendation hands-on projects and estimated time to further preparation or something. Okay, in this case, in this particular points, what exactly I was asking was what exactly the focus areas for the next round of interviews. Okay, so here it was giving some personalized plan with respect to the uh, what exactly the focus areas for the next rounds of interviews. Okay, so it was saying advanced Jenkins, pipeline as a code, and some automation by using Python and integrating some GitHub webhooks and GitLab triggers. And these are the some recommended practices. And also some areas of focus with respect to the DevSecOps tools and security integration, and also the cloud security and platforms. And focus on Kubernetes as well as the Docker, infrastructure vulnerabilities and ISC focus, and interview readiness as well as scenario based knowledge, what exactly the focus areas might be. Okay. And it definitely vary the interviewer, like what exactly they are focusing on and how exactly you are answering. That redirects you in a different way also. Okay. So just kind of idea, I just give you these insights from my end. Okay. So yeah, this is how exactly you can analyze yourself and self-evaluate yourself and prepare accordingly and improve yourself. Okay. And as I said in the beginning, I will be providing this particular details, this particular link in the description. Kindly check it out and do apply. If you are majorly into DevSecOps areas, they are considering that. And if you are into DevOps also, obviously these days, major of the projects they are integrating the security aspects also into their workflows. So it is better to consider this JD if you are interested. Okay, and yeah, uh, this is what exactly I wanted to be discussing in this particular video. And thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more updates and all the best for your preparation.